They delivered lumber for the fur down, whatever that is. If you know, leave a comment and tell me. Don't look so mean. We're out here taking a look at what they've done since we were here last. Looks like somebody came by and cleaned the place up a little bit. I guess they thought somebody had to since we weren't doing anything. Let's go inside. I'm out here talking to Dalton. He's an electrician. He's been doing the electrical work. So tell me about how it's going, Dalton.
Oh, it's going fantastic. Pulling like butter.
Only what?
Great. It pulls like butter.
Oh.
It pulls through the walls like butter. It almost wires itself sometimes.
Oh, good. So how long you been doing this?
This job, wiring rough ends, it's been 2.5 years or so now.
Okay.
But I've had other electrical experience, just not this involved.
Okay, so you've been doing working for Baldwin for a couple of years?
Yep.
So you've done a lot of this floor plan before?
Yeah.
Okay.
Been in here lots of times.
Okay. So what you're putting in now is the outside light?
Yep. Got a switch for the wall light that's going right here underneath the covered porch. And then I got one more switch leg going over for the floodlight on the back of the house.
Okay. So you should be done by when?
Oh, sometime Friday.
Okay. Well, I'm going to come back and check it all out when you're done.
All right.
Thank you for your good work.
Hey, no problem. Thank you.
Okay. I'm going downstairs to see if I can find Tony. Tony works down here in the bunker. He's a gas guy. Tony, is that you over there?
Yeah, it's me.
What are you doing?
Alright, drill through for your riser.
I'm putting you on video, okay?
Alright, that's cool.
So you're running a gas line?
Yep, gas line, and I'm drilling out for your gas riser here.
Okay.
You ready?
Yeah.
Batteries coming loose.
Sounds like you did it.
Oh yeah, that's one of them.
Okay. So you've been doing this gas work for a while?
Well, February would be 2 years, so I've
Okay.
been doing it, a little over a year and a half.
Have you been worked on a lot of these oak wood plans for Baldwin?
Yeah, I've done a few of them, yeah.
Okay. All right. Well, I appreciate your good work, and I'm going to turn this off now, and you just keep going. All right, I'm going to be shooting some video of the condition we're in right now so I can see where the wiring and the plumbing and the outlets are all located. This is the kitchen. These are all the outlets for the kitchen. I missed that one up there. All right. And then going into the living room, we've got outlets and wiring going here and there. So we're going to record all of that. This is the back wall of the walk-in closet. There is a floor outlet here. And I'm heading to the half bath over here. There's nothing in this wall here. We've got the plumbing. We've got a little bit of wiring there from the other side. A little wiring there from the other side. Nothing on this wall. We've got, maybe I already shot this. This is the entry. Got a switch there. We've got wiring going across here. We've got an outlet there. We've got nothing on this garage wall. We've got a triple switch there. Nothing in here. In the office, we've got this wall between those two studs has nothing. We've got an outlet there. We've got wiring in there. We've got a TV and power up there. We've got wiring across there. We've got an outlet under the window. What are you laughing at?
I can just see this video now. And there's one there, and there's one there, and there's one. Why don't you say west wall office? Yeah, so you kind of know where they are.
Do you want to tell me how to do this again? Go ahead, start over now. How would I do this? Never mind.
You keep saying, here's one here, and there's one there, and here's one there. The video is going to be crazy. Why don't you say west wall of the office, and then when you turn...
Okay. Okay. All right. I'm going to start over. There's a couple of outlets here. There's a wire that goes all the way across that whole wall. Okay, there's a wire that goes across this wall with an outlet. There's an outlet down there. There's an outlet there. That stud cavity is empty, so that would work. These three studs don't have anything in between them, so that would work. This back wall of the closet is empty. This front wall of the closet is empty. The far side of the closet has cable wires across it. The laundry room, no wires in between any of those studs. Okay, I'm in the bathroom looking at the two vanities and the tower, and there's a wire that goes across here. There's a vent pipe on that end, or no, that's a vent pipe that goes up. And there's a wire going across there, so I have to remember that when we hang Jesus.